Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm out here watching a couple of movers. P-Ton and SAVE are the only ones that I'm seeing. P-Ton's definitely the biggest percent mover. What's up, One Life? And then I see SAVE out here playing around as well, but I don't know which one's gonna be. P-Ton already went red on the day, so I'll continue watching it. P-Ton got a little bit of a pop because Amazon and somebody else said they were thinking about buying it. So we'll see what kind of action that wants to give during the day. But I am a little bit more interested in P-Ton though. I literally just got out of my meeting. I looked at a little bit of news before the meeting, but yeah, right now it's just going to be information gathering time. SAVE ripped out of there. Let's see, 25.18 up to the 25.30s. See about that one. Looking for P-Ton to kind of this pre-market trend is what it came back up to, the $31. We'll see how it holds over the 31, but I don't know. Let's see what's the bottom of this, 30.50. So we got our first low of the day at 30.30. Draw that support line down there. And we'll see how it holds above that 30.30 level. Save coming back down a little bit. Nah, never mind. Save grinding up. Let's hop over here to the scans. I see Save, Mara, Riot, SoFi. Large caps down here. Kind of have to see how they act up today. P-Ton taking another little dip through that level, that initial. So let's see if it can hold up that 30.32 support level. Long P-Fund from pre-market. Let's see, we got a couple of small caps popping in here. Seed, I don't know what that is. Issues 2020 guidance, 300% revenue. Okay, whatever. That one's not moving much. Hut. No news that I like. CFVI. No news on today. All right, so P-Ton looking like it's coming on back up a little bit. I'm interested to see if it can hold the 30s. I could risk $1 here, back down to the 30. Which I may end up doing here. We'll see how close it can get down here. Does it want to hold up this 31? Or will it get pushed back through the 31 for a lower entry? Okay. Waiting for some more red confirmation here on the 5-minute. Right at that little downtrend right there. But giving it some time. Save coming on. Gave a little pop up there, but making its way back as well. So at this point, I can risk $1 here on this little downtrend. Holding up that 31. Let's see if it'll crack it. Will it get that push down through on P-Ton? Okay, getting a little cracked down, so getting closer. So the risk level for me would be that 30-31 level. I mean, not 30-31, 30-33, $30.33. Hut looks good. Uh, that news though, I don't really see any there is no news on it, so I'm not really confident in that one. I like P-Ton a little bit better to hold up these 30s, and Save also looks good. I know they're a little bit more expensive, but I'm willing to take some small shares on it and just hold it and see what it wants to do throughout the day. It's holding right around this level. I like it. So I'm going to enter a little bit on P-Ton here. Go ahead and grab some shares here. And then I put my out at the 30-33 down here if it breaks down. Got 10 shares of that, 30-33. And we'll see what it wants to do throughout the day. 30-33. $29.99. Risking just a bit here. Seems to be holding up. Held up once, held up twice. So I just added a little bit for a little run up. Save. Save. Okay, again, holding around these levels. I like it. Like it, like it, like it. Pulling back up again. Maybe looking for another add if it can start holding over the 31s again. Adding there. So average price is 31.10. It's held up here multiple times. Want to see it get up off these levels. In 15 shares there, and we'll see what kind of run up we can get. Risk was the 30-32. Looking, waiting, watching. Can it get out of there? 30-32. I put $29. If it breaks down that, then it's over. Nice little move out there. Sell. So yeah, break of the 30 is what I don't want to see. Average price right now is a 31.10. Save coming on back down. P-Ton back green on the day. Hut, what it end up doing? It went up, but it's coming back down right now. Come on, P-Ton, get that hold up. P-Ton is a larger cap, so can definitely have to give it some room to play. Can we see that 31.50 start to hold? Risk level right now, yeah, about $1 something. So 15 bucks. Trying to see if they can push them out of there. 31.50 is where I would like to see it start to hold. Willing to risk down to the let's see, 29.50. What is that? Where's my calculator? 29.50. $29.50. So I risk down to the 29.50 on this one. $29.50. And then that'll be $1.60 on 15 shares. So it's about 15, 20 bucks somewhere up in there. Save came back red on the day. SPY doing his thing as well. Coming back through nice and strong. VIX snap up to 39 something dollars. Nice. Snap, snap, snapple. I wanted Snap. I was looking at Snap, but I wasn't focused on it because it didn't have news on the day. But Snap is definitely looking very good now. Oh well, might have to wait for a pullback on that one. Yeah. This high here was the 39.29. Hopefully it starts to fail that and I can pick up some shares down there. Just waiting and watching. Actually, on the 4-hour, Snap actually looks good for a break. I mean, on the hour chart, it looks good right there. Let's see what it wants to do. Look at that, man. Snap is looking, ooh, it's looking good. All right, to wait to see what that one wants to do. Snap may give some pullback a little bit. Okay. See how much pullback it wants to give here, if it gives any at all. Nope. Snap's ready to go. Man. Will it get shorted down? It's just too strong. Did Snap receive more news on today? Let's see. Oh, Snap isn't even up 1%, so that may not be something I want to be interested in. P-Ton though, it's holding up these levels. I wanted to transition on the 5-minute. Kind of show me that it actually wants to get back up there over the 31. I may look to add some more. But it needs to get back. Let's see, what's this? 3109. Needs to get back up there. P-Ton, will it be able to break down 30? My risk was $1.60 on this one. Snap giving a little bit of a pullback. If P-Ton can start holding this 30-50 level, it'll start looking good again. But it's looking a little heavy right now. Snap coming on back down. Not able to break out. Hut still making moves up as well. Can you start holding that 30-50? $30.50. Wait till this candle closes in 2 minutes. It's looking good down here though. Yep, getting bought up over that. Can we start going green here? I'm gonna add a little bit here. 16 shares. Want to see it recapture that high right there. 75. It could push the short side here. I'm gonna add here a little bit. 75 can break that 75 though. Adding there. Okay, opened up definitely higher. Can we see any green from this? Can we see those 70s break again? Give us some time to play around here. As long as it holds those 30s, but it's looking like it's pushing out of the 30s now. The body of the previous candle was a 30, 33. So will this be a fake push down, or is it going to go ahead and break that 30? Has a bottom here at the 30.11. Giving it some time. Snap coming on down. SPY continuing upward. Save down. HUT doing his thing. All right. All right, so it would have stopped me out there. I'm going to have to definitely put a stick in the line or a line in the sand, because it's definitely pumping down a little bit more than I expected. But it is a bigger stock, so we may have to wait for that volume to kind of seep out of there and see if it can get back over the 30s. Snap still doing his thing. So the 30, will that become resistance is the question. And we start holding at 29.75. Giving it a little bit of time. Okay, holding up that 75, 29.75. Waiting for a transition here, if we can get it. One life, P-Ton is going down. We'll see, man. We'll see. I'm gonna add down here under 30. See if it can recapture it. Average price is 30.79 now. Dang. So I guess this will be the play of the day for me. Let's see if it can pull back up here above 30s is my question on the day. It's got all day to do it. Average price is the 30.66. Will these 30s become resistance? Bottom of this candle, 29.40s, 29.50. Support, possible support, 29.50. We'll see if it can start making those new highs. Can it get a push back over the 30 and start holding that level? Finding a little bit of resistance there. Possible resistance back up here to 31.35. We'll see. Breaking back into the 30s. Can we hold up here? Bottom on this 15-minute chart is the 29.59. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a boost off this 30 and not slip back through it. Can we hold in the 30s? Snap also pulled back up. Only up 1% on the day though. Slipping back through the 30s there. Oh yeah, 30s were not much support at all. So what's the bottom here? Bottom is 29.61, where it previously bounced. It's looking for that 30 to hold a little bit better than that. May need to test this 30 area another time. Yeah, it's finding a little bit of support down here. So I'll let it play. Can we see those 29.90s pop back up quickly? Well, looking like it's finding some more weakness there. Does not want to hold those 30s up. Back down to this level. I think it's going to get a push through it though. It's looking like a, let's see, 29.59. May get a push through it. I really want to see a retest the 30s. I'm not going to be getting out of this one until I see a retest the 30s on the day. I don't want to give up on it just yet. $29.70. Okay, stopped right there. Is it gonna go ahead and get the rush through, or does it want to pick up and test the 30s again, or what? Snap ended up going down. Spy also dropping a little bit. VIX, P-Ton still wants to test that 30. I want to see it retest that 30 for real. Finding a little bit of resistance there. They're trying to bang it down through there. Looking like they're going to be able to do it. Can we see 29.75 hold? Can we see us back in the 70s, 29.70s? Got a little pop down there, 29.50. Very short little pop. Let's see if it'll pull up, or is this gonna be some continuation? Yeah, that's some continuation there. All right. 27.95. Still gonna give it some room to play. Hut got very choppy. Ooh, let's see. P-Ton, Peloton. Yeah, P-Ton is definitely back to this. Let's see, what's the bottom here? 28. 28 is a long way down, but I will probably end up cutting it at 28. That's all I can give it. Snap going on down. Spy doing his thing. Fix P-Ton. Hut diving. Let's look at let's jump back over here to the scans. She broke 30. Nice. All right. Peloton trying to get back up here. I don't know what it wants to do. I'm just going to give it time on the day. Has a nice little downtrend, but I do know that it has a little bit of catalyst, and I was trying to see if it can get a nice little pop. At this point, let's see, 27.95. So I will give it a trailing stop of, let's say, $3. Or actually, let's do $4. 34, or no, $4. And I let it play. Okay. Give it some time to play throughout the day. This bottom here is the 330. 330. So $30. It has the potential to grind its way up to at least the 32. And if it can hold the 32, then, you know, we'll see what it wants to do from there. But definitely not looking completely horrible. Bottom of this previous candle was the 33. It's giving it some time to see if it can get over and hold those 30s again. Getting over those 30s right there. Nice. See if we can get a good little break here. Not seeing any 30s, so short time above the 30. Can it continue to push him out though? '30s. Can we get a nice little pop up here? 30-10. Throwing a little bit of a wick, but not getting that push above the 30-10s quickly. Shorts coming right in on the 30. This bottom was a 29.33. 29.33 was the intraday low. See if it can hold up above that level. Let me see what the risk would be on 29.33, 30.66, 29.33. Be $1.30 from where my entry is. Question is, can it hold the 30s? Little bit of short pressure there, looked like. Save, coming back up. Hut, not looking too hot. Jump back over here to the scans. MVCT is up 63%. What in the world is MV? Oh, that's a pharma. I don't. That's a phase 1 clinical study. I'm good. I'll leave that out there for y'all. That's not gonna go. Let's see. Nothing else looking super interesting to me. Not like I could take a trade anyway. So this thing is retesting a 30. I want to see that 30 become a footstool for it. Can it really get going off that 30? So at this point, break of the 20, say break of the 28, I'm gonna draw my line in the sand there. Still above this previous low, but it's got to get back above the 30s to even look viable. I think I'm gonna wait till I'm actually in. If I get into the green, then I'll place a trailing stop. But as of now, I don't want to see that 29 break down. Or did I say 29? 28. 28 break down. What do I think of BFRI? I mean, maybe you bought it down at $3. Maybe you'd be in a good spot. Oh man. All right, so we're gonna get another test of 30. It's gonna be the third test here. Can we start getting up off these levels of the 30? Getting a little buying pressure there. Got about a minute left on this candle. Not there's a little jump, but not much. We need to see it get on through those 30s and be strong over the 30s. Looks very sketchy for shorts to continue holding here. Got a little bit of a launch up, but I don't know about the continuation here. All right, so my entry price was 30.66, so we're 20 cents away. Can we start holding this thing up above the 30? That's all I wanted to see on the day anyway. 30.47. 30.50. Can we get that launch? 30.60, man. It got right up to my entry, which I don't really like. I'd love to see it get on through there. May need to consolidate up here a little bit. Can we see that 30.50 break and hold? 30, 50. Can we get that blast through the 60? Couple minutes left on this candle. Getting shorted back down there. But at least it's over the 30 for now. So at this point, let's see, the bottom here is a 29.60. So it'll be $1 risk here on these shares. Can it hold up even a $0.25 level? 30.25. Getting shorted all the way back down there. Yeah, 29.60 is looking like the spot I'm gonna need to go ahead and take off if I'm gonna take off. Actually, 29.50. Wait. What's the bottom of this? Low 29.33. Definitely giving it some time here. Can we see that 30.50 break? Maybe not on this candle. Maybe it's going to have to give us some more red first, but still definitely interested. Intrigued. Closing up this candle in about 30 seconds. Candle open there. Will we get some nice consolidation or what? Back to the 30. Will we get the bounce on the 30 here? Small bounce on the 30. Snap back green on the day as well. Definitely sketchy one. Spy back down to the 449. Looking for a nice little small bounce here just to hold up these previous levels. It's another failure of the 30. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. Got my stop in there at this 29.25. Just giving it time. App back up there. Like it's slowing down a little bit like everything else. Peloton opened up a little bit lower there. Really want to give it more time to play. But man, this thing is definitely looking spicy. Just got to get back above this 30.06, and it's failed 30 a couple of times now. Looking a little heavy here. $29.90 becoming a nice little support level. Looks like may snap right through it. Don't know. All right. And we see those 91s pop back up there. So it is following a little bit of an intraday downtrend as well that it needs to break. Right through here. I'm gonna give it time. If it fails that, then it may be just going down for the rest of the day. Going up there and tapping the 30 again. Will 30 knock it back down again? $30 not budging. Spy back up to or back down. Every time I look at it, it's green, but it's actually not looking too great. Save came all the way back up here, 24.13 up to the 24.96. Hut still making its way. So yeah, P-Ton, man, I don't know what it wants to do today. It's holding right under the 30, which it may be held here by somebody. I don't know, but we will see if it wants to go ahead and capsize. A lot of red on the tape. 29.90 getting further away. It'll break down to the 29.75. A little bit of a pop back up. Just seems like it's being held here, but I don't know which way they want to take it. Are they loading up right under the 30 for a move higher, or are they getting ready to drop a short bomb? This is another time that it's failed to push on down through here. So we'll see what it wants to do. Don't see any 90s up there on the bid. Does it want to test this trend? And if it does, how much resistance will it get up there above the 30s again? '30s got hit. but will it get any pressure through this 30 move? 30 tens, will it completely blow them out of there? My question. Getting up there to the trend, but has yet to overcome the intraday trend. This candle has 2 minutes left on it, still within that intraday downtrend, so not too impressive. It's gonna have to push. There's a 30 something, 30 35s, nice. So can we revisit that 3060 and go ahead and break? Trying to hold it under the 30/30s. Okay, 30 cents away from my entry. Can we get that quick launch up there? $30.30 or $30.25 becoming an area of resistance now. Breaking down that intraday trend, but still above this previous bottom here of the 29.61. See if we can hold and get that 30.10 out there. Gonna try again to get out of the trend. Failing again. Yep. All right. So our trend is breaking down on us. That 30 is not holding much at all now. On the 15 minute, it's not looking too good. It needed to hold over this 30.10-ish level. Just couldn't do it. Oh, 08s, can we break the 10 finally? 30.10 break. See the 12s, but can we hold above the 10s on the bid? Nope, right back under the 10s. Tens on the bid, 11s. Can we see those 10s disappear? 12s. Come on, 13s, 14s, 15s into the 20s. Okay, seeing the 10s go further down the list, that's good. And we see that 30-25 get snapped through. 30-25 got touched. Hmm. So it's testing the 10s right now. Will they be able to hold? Okay, that was a one test on the 10. Opening up a little bit higher. Let's see if they can stay out of those 10s. So now it's getting out of the intraday downtrend. Where, oh, where? P&L. Can we get this lunch out of here or not? Okay, so running away from the intraday downtrend. Hopefully it can stay out of it and create a new uptrend here. 30-30 is getting tested again. So it's been up to this level 1, 2, 3 times. It needs to get a good push through on this one. Giving it time. Letting people get in. And we see those 27 start to feed in. See the 20s back on the bid, not good. Want to see it get to those 30s and hold them up. A lot of short pressure up here at the 30. But that's a kind of an odd number for short pressure to be. So I wonder will they get pushed out to maybe the 30.50. 30.34. We got to see the action at the 30.50 because that's a $0.50. If it's strong action at the $0.50, that means the shorts are probably going to keep control. Yeah, that's a very weird number to get stopped on. It's another test up to 30.60. See how well it holds. If this can be an explosion candle or not. Another time that it's giving up those profits back to the 30s. So that high was 30.44. So there was a little bit of resistance at that 30.50 level. Can they continue to defeat it? This 5-minute candle will be closing up in 30 seconds. Seeing those 20s disappear. All right, let me look at Snap. Snap doing kind of the same motion. So yeah, this is just some nice Monday morning motion. Trying to figure out what's going to end up running. New 5-minute candle just opened up. Very insecure area right here for shorts and longs. But I got my risk kind of tallied out. So if it wants to do something crazy, just have to let it go. It's been testing this 330 level 1, 2, 3 times on the 15 and just holding under it on the hour chart. So let's see what it wants to do. Can they get that explosion? $30.20s coming up there. Can we get that break of the 30.30s? That's been the crux of our existence. It's got this channel formed and it's been trying to get out of this channel all this time. Right across here. And support right here. It's been working its way to the top. Let's see what you can do. If you can do anything at all. Need to see those 20s come in strong. lot of red on the tape. Not seeing those 20s come in fast. Two minutes left on this 5-minute candle. So yeah, 30-30 is definitely a problem. Definitely wanted to see it up through these levels, but yeah. Can we get a nice pop back over the 310s? This 5-minute candle has 1 minute left on it. Breaking down the 30s, coming back to this downtrend. Will it re-enter the downtrend? So it looks like we're finding a little bit of support right along this 29.75 level. Love to see it start forcing its way away from that once people start noticing that is a support level, 25.75. I mean 29.75. Snap. Again, testing the 30s. 30s becoming stronger and stronger resistance every time it gets to it. Ooh, getting shorted a little bit there. Hmm. Definitely taking his time getting me out. I know that. But oh well. Can't hold up the 30s. Getting some pops in there. Back up to the 30. Let's see if it can actually break it. So that pressure right there does not look friendly at all. Definitely gave it plenty of time to work itself out, but not looking like it's gonna give me what I want. Snap. Closing up that candle. Yep, it's gonna go ahead and stop me out here. Stop is at the 29.25. I already tested these top levels multiple times, so that's some pretty strong resistance. Definitely need a lot of force to get it up through there, and I don't know if it's gonna get that today. Trying to push out of the 70s. Put came on down. What else? Snap still playing around. SPY down to 48. P10. Get up, man. Still getting plenty of volume. Closing up that candle there. Is this a trend starting? Intraday week trend? It's got to push back up though. Nope, it is not. Looks like it's going to come on down. Gave it a try to see if I can get some off of it, but in the end, it was not, did not want to play for me today. 29.50 getting tested. It's a $0.25 level or $0.50 level. Stop is at the 29.25. Trying to see if it can reclaim that 29.50. Not, I'll just go ahead and get out. $29.50. Can we start the hold there? Do buyers want to see this thing back over to $29.50? All right, so this is 2 times it's been down to this level. Support right above that 29.30 level. So can we see a full turnaround? Need to see those 55s up there kind of quick. Yep, seeing the bids drop and continue to drop. 47, 48s, no 50s. So it's probably going to continue down and stop me out. Fifty's getting hit there just a little bit, but not breaking back over into the 60s. Okay. $29.60s. So right now I'm down $1, and I'm just looking for a new higher low that I have not seen yet. Maybe it'll come off of this. Maybe this is just a fake upwards to take the bulls out. So I'm just going to leave my stop in where it's at, 29.25, and see if we can get any action back up to the upside. Almost 10:30. So at this point, probably gonna have to just update you guys throughout the day what happens with it. But you know, if it dropped below 29.25, I'm out. But if it continues, I'm just gonna let it play throughout the day. And I will be back tomorrow morning. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I know today was one of those days. It was definitely I had a meeting today, came in, saw P-Ton, had a little bit of news from Amazon to see if they're looking into buying Peloton. So I bought some shares, kind of small share size on this one, but it is a larger stock, being a $30 stock. And so just wanted to see if it could hold up. Really, that was my whole objective. All right, y'all. You can check out frameworkfortune.com. We have a Discord. You can, once you get signed up on the website, you will see our Discord and community tab. Click on it. You can also click the, it's a widget that has connect on it. You can get into our Discord. And that's where I'll be leaving these updates today to let you know where or what happens with Peloton. Anyway, appreciate all you guys. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Deuces.